Hi, I'm Mera Lawsen. Today we look at the future of work in 2026 and which jobs will truly survive the AI era.
Will reshape every industry, including. But not every job will disappear. Some roles will become more valuable. The difference comes down to uniquely human skills: judgment, creativity, and social intelligence. Creative problem solvers, designers, strategic creatives, and product thinkers who use AI as a tool. Second, prompt engineers and AI interaction designers, people who guide AI with precise prompts and evaluation.
Third, AI system supervisors and automation experts who maintain, monitor, and correct AI systems.
Fourth, human-centered healthcare roles, clinicians, therapists, and nurses, where empathy and judgment matter. Fifth, skilled trades, electricians, plumbers, and technicians that require hands-on expertise and problem solving.
Sixth, education designers and learning experience creators who combine pedagogy with AI tools.
Seventh, cybersecurity and AI defense experts, humans who think like attackers and defend systems.
Eighth, AI business analysts and translators, people who turn AI outputs into real business strategy. Ninth, AI ethics, policy and compliance roles. Firms will need humans to ensure safe, fair AI use.
Entrepreneurs and creators who combine domain expertise with AI to build new services.
11th, roles that require cross-cultural communication and leadership, humans coordinating AI-enabled teams.
Key point: most resilient workers will be the ones who learn to work with AI, not against it.
Do this now. Learn AI tools, sharpen judgment, and specialize in a domain only humans can own.
The jobs that survive will pay better and be more human if you prepare and adapt.
If you want step-by-step guides to future-proof your career, subscribe to AI Future Wealth. See you in the next video.